Now that you've either scheduled your upcoming pool inspection or completed it and received your PoolFax AVE report, your first question is probably how can you use it to gain more inspection value today and tomorrow? Hi, I'm Galen Crabtree here on behalf of your AmeriSpec Inspector to quickly summarize the immediate benefits from your premium PoolFax inspection report. The first reason buyers choose to have a premium PoolFax AVE report instead of a common pool inspection is that it provides you insight on how to live with your pool more enjoyably and confidently compared to the common fears from common reports. During the inspection, your AmeriSpec Inspector uses our automated reporting process to send you an email notification with a link to your digital report before they're finished with the rest of the home inspection. With this in hand, you and your agents are able to reach out to our PoolStar underwriting team for more immediate interpretation as well as TRR support. The second reason buyers choose to have a PoolFax AVE is that through AmeriSpec, a premium PoolStar Logic account is established for you for free with us. This allows us to extend our remote pool professional support resources to you through your first year of home ownership, where the pool learning curve is the most disruptive to your family life at home. Now, beyond your immediate transactional inspection needs, PoolFax AVE is also your ticket to access new IoT home technologies dedicated to improving your quality of home ownership and safety the day you move in. For example, the PoolSmart Skimmer is the first of many pool technologies coming that lowers the cost of pool ownership and simplifies routine pool needs, something that will be fundamental to your quality of pool ownership, especially if you plan to DIY your weekly pool servicing needs. Now, if you consider yourself in the 20% of buyers who will purchase a smart home package, PoolStar is able to integrate with a company like Vivint to combine PoolSmart Skimmer services with your smart home services. Frankly, working with a company like Vivint, who is on the cutting edge of video camera technologies, we're able to achieve our goal of using such technologies and remote monitoring support to improve child safety barriers so we can help reduce or even eliminate the chances for swimming pool mishaps. So to answer the original question, what all can you do with your PoolFax AVE report? For us, working closely with your AmeriSpec Inspector and a partner like Vivint means we can empower your PoolFax AVE to extend peace of mind and savings deeper into your life at home. I'm Galen Crabtree with your introduction to PoolFax. On behalf of AmeriSpec and myself, welcome home.